Affiliate marketing is the art of turning recommendations into revenue. Imagine you tell a friend about your favorite coffee shop, and when they make a purchase based on your suggestion, the coffee shop gives you a free latte. That's affiliate marketing, but on a digital scale. Companies compensate you, the affiliate, for directing customers their way. It's a win-win. Firms get new customers, and you get rewarded for your referral. So you've likely heard the buzzword affiliate marketing thrown around a lot lately, and there's good reason for that. For businesses, affiliate marketing is like having an army of dedicated cheerleaders, each working tirelessly to promote your products. They don't just shout from the rooftops, they use curated content, tailored to their audience, to drive traffic your way. This means highly targeted leads knocking on your virtual storefront. Cost-wise, it's efficient because you only pay commissions when a sale is actually made, protecting you against the risk of unreturned advertising expenditures. And how about you, the potential affiliate? You can think of yourself as a modern-day matchmaker. By linking your audience with products or services you believe in, you create value for them and earn income without the overhead of managing an inventory or dealing with customer service issues. It's the entrepreneurial dream, earning passive income by sharing your personal recommendations. Now, I'm curious to hear from you all. If you had to choose one product or brand to start an affiliate relationship with, which would it be and why? Share your thoughts down in the comments. Imagine waking up each day knowing that your passion for products you love is not only appreciated by an eager audience, but is also lining your pockets. That's the electric reality of affiliate marketing, and with some savvy strategies, you too can tap into this gold mine. First tip on your journey to success: know your audience. Like a maestro conducting an orchestra, you must understand every section, every nuance of your audience to create perfect harmony. This means diving deep into demographics, interests, and purchasing habits. Next up, let's talk about selectivity. Not all products are worth the song and dance. Be choosy. You want to represent products that resonate with your personal brand and ethos. This authenticity is a magnet for viewers just like you, who will trust your recommendations because they mirror their own values and needs. And remember, it's not just what you sell, but how you sell it. The internet is a vast ocean with countless fish. Be the sparkling lure by creating compelling content that hooks attention. Whether it's tutorials, reviews, or storytelling, your unique angle is what will reel them in. Now onto the lifeline of your success, relationship building. This isn't about one-off sales, it's about creating a community that comes back for more. Interact with your audience, listen to them, and nurture these relationships like a gardener tending to a precious plant. Your care will be rewarded with loyal fans and consistent sales. Now I want you to pause for a moment. Think of one product you love, one that you can't stop talking about. How would you introduce this to a friend? How would you weave this product into a story that makes your listeners' eyes light up with eagerness? Share your strategies in the comments below, and let's discuss how to turn that passion into profit. Affiliate marketing seems straightforward, but it's often a road riddled with potential potholes. One of the first bumps you might encounter is saturation. Picture this: you're not the only ambassador for a product or brand. So the question becomes, how do you stand out in a sea of similar voices? To stand out, craft a narrative around your affiliate products that speaks to your personal experiences. No two stories are identical, and when you infuse your journey and results into your messaging, you become a beacon of uniqueness in the affiliate marketplace. Next up, let's tackle the challenge of relevance. Trends shift, and what's hot today might be forgotten tomorrow. How do you ensure the products you promote have longevity? The key for long-term relevance is dynamic adaptation. Stay informed about the latest trends through newsletters, podcasts, and industry news, so you can pivot your strategy to reflect the evolving market. Build a product arsenal that includes timeless pieces, those with long-term applicability that maintain relevance regardless of the season or trend. Now, imagine you've got a great product and are up to date on trends, yet conversions are still low. This is where the art of affiliate marketing truly comes into play. Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. To boost conversion rates, develop impeccable storytelling skills. When a product is woven into a story, your audience can envision themselves using it, which breaks down barriers to purchase. Don't just list features, tell a story or show a problem being solved, and make sure your calls to action are clear, compelling, and lead to an effortless purchasing process. Let's circle back to you, the affiliate marketer. For a brief moment, reflect on your approach. Have you experienced these challenges? What unique strategies have you employed to keep your affiliate marketing journey on the path to success? Share your thoughts below, and let's create a treasure trove of shared wisdom. Embarking on a new endeavor can feel like standing at the edge of a vast, uncharted wilderness. It's that first step, that initial leap into the unknown, where the true magic unfolds. When it comes to affiliate marketing or any new journey you embark on, motivation is the spark that ignites your path to success. It's all about finding that inner fire and keeping it burning, even when obstacles loom large. Remember how we talked about being a beacon of uniqueness? That's your first motivational tip. Embrace your distinctiveness. There's only one you, and that's your power in a crowded market. Now think of your goals as your North Star, guiding you through the darkest nights. Set clear, achievable targets and break them down into smaller, manageable tasks. This strategy not only keeps you focused, but also allows you to celebrate small victories along the way, a potent motivational booster. And when it comes to staying relevant, that dynamic adaptation we discussed is your compass. It helps you navigate through the ever-changing landscape of the market, enabling you to adjust your course and maintain direction toward your long-term vision. Weaving your products into stories isn't just about boosting conversion rates. It's about bringing your journey to life, connecting with your audience on a deeper level. Each story you tell is a stepping stone, creating a path for others to follow, inspiring action, and fostering a community of like-minded individuals. So as you stand on the precipice of this new adventure, remember that each step is progress, each challenge a lesson, and each story a chance to inspire. Now, I'm curious, what's the first unique aspect of your story, and how will you use it to light up your path in affiliate marketing? Share your beginnings, and let's inspire each other.